Next question on valuation. See, balance sheet is given in this question. So, the following is the balance sheet of Kantilal and Chandrakant on 31st March 1995. Capital is given: Kantilal 90,000, Chandrakant 70,000, reserve fund 44,000 and creditors 38,000, total 2,42,000. Here the assets: machinery 50,000, building 41,000, investments 30,000, stock 20,000, debtors 66,000 and bank balance 35,000. Okay, and see, capital employed नहीं दिया है, सीधा बैलेंस शीट ही दे दिया है. So capital employed you will have to find out. The following were net profits for the firm for the year ended 31st March 1991, 92 and 93, 15,000, 25,000 and 26,000. Now, as you see, these profits are given and average profit is not given, means immediately पहले 3 years के profits हैं. So add these 3 divided by 3, average profit calculate करके side में रखो, because that will be used for your super profit. Okay, you are required to ascertain the value of goodwill of 2 years purchase. Last step में 2 years purchase काम आएगा, of super profit of 3 years. Okay, the normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%. NRR is 10%. So सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप आप कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड निकालोगे, बिकॉज नॉर्मल फर्स्ट जो हमारा जनरल स्टेप होता है, नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू NRR. We don't have the capital employed only. So do the working capital employed. See, sub total लो, all the assets. What is the formula? Capital employed. All tangible trading assets means machinery, building, investment, stocks, debtors and bank balance. All are tangible trading assets. And जो investments है 30,000, आप उस investments को क्या करोगे? It is assumed that they are trade investments, so उनको भी include कर लिया. So all the assets total 2,42,000 minus all the outside liabilities. So creditors is your outside liability, बाकी reserve fund and capital inside liability है. So minus 38,000 your creditors, that comes up to 2,04,000. And this is your capital employed. Okay. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड के बाद एक और चीज मिसिंग है यहाँ पर जो मुझे चाहिएगी, दैट इज योर एवरेज प्रॉफिट और एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट दैट ऑल्सो. योर एवरेज प्रॉफिट विल बी, सी, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल प्रॉफिट अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. सो दैट विल बी 15,000 plus 25,000 plus 26,000, that is 66,000 divided by number of years 3. So your average profit comes up to 22,000. Okay, so capital employed मिल गया, average profit मिल गया. Now follow your normal steps. Step number 1 is your normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. So your capital employed just calculated 2,04,000 into normal rate of return upon 100, and your normal profit comes up to 20,400. Now, new way of calculation of super profit goodwill. So, new way, second step, super profit. Okay, so super profit का formula, come on, average or actual profit minus normal profit. So, your average profit minus normal profit. that comes up to average profit. You have just calculated your average profit, that is 22,000. So 22,000 minus normal profit 20,400. So that gives you your super profit 1,600. Okay, now you will calculate the goodwill. So goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. Super profit you have just calculated 1,600 into number of years of purchase. See, 2 years of purchase of super profit given in question, so multiplied by 2. So the goodwill comes up to rupees 3,200. Okay. So whenever capital employed is not given in question, balance sheet is given, just सारे assets का total करो. Assets means you will have to leave the goodwill and trade investments है तो लो, non trade investments है तो छोड़ दो. This is the total and outside liabilities को less करो. So creditors is outside liabilities here. So first you will find capital employed if it is not given in the question. Secondly, normal profit find out करने के लिए you know that average profit super profit के लिए use होगा. So average profit if it is not given, take last year's profit divided by the number of years and then find average profit, then start following the 3 steps: normal profit, super profit and lastly goodwill.